Hi everyone, welcome to this walkthrough of our web app. The first step you need to do is point your web browser to ontum.contentready.co. You will be taken to this screen where you will see a button called Login to Continue. So you hit Login to Continue and you will have two options for the login. You can either log in via email or phone. For the purposes of the demo, I'm going to log in for phone. You have to put in your phone number, remember, with the country code. And if you're in India, put in +91. If you're outside India, put in whatever your country code is. You will then get an SMS to your phone with the OTP. You enter the OTP that you get. And the first time you log in, you will be taken to a screen to fill in your personal details. Most of mine are already filled in. So we require you to put in your first and last name, your user type, and whether your school is a private school or a government school. If you know your school's DICE code, you can put that in. If you don't, that's fine as well. Hit which country you belong to, fill in where your school is located, and you can fill in your school name. You hit Save Changes, and then you are taken to the main page of our app. The first page you're taken to is a quick way to access parts of our lessons easily. You can browse by grade, you can browse by subject, by semester, by curriculum or language. This shows our entire offering. Currently, our bridge course is available for free, so I'm just going to click on the bridge course curriculum. When you click on the bridge course curriculum to filter by, what you will see is a list of all the chapters on the bridge course in all the subjects, which we currently have English, Math, Social Science, and Science available. We start with grade 7. This is an exhaustive list of all chapters. You can see the different subjects showing up. As you keep clicking next, you move on to grade 8 and then eventually grade 9. Now, what if you want to search for specific subjects and grades? You go to Home. In the top right corner, you have an option to filter. My mouse is hovering over it, so you click on Filter. Let's reset all the filters for the purposes of this example. You can choose the grade you want. I'm going to choose grade 8. And if I want to look for math lessons, I'm going to choose math as my subject. I'm going to apply filters, and you will see all the chapters under math, grade 8, appear on the screen. Now, into each chapter, you will see next to the chapter name the number of lessons that are part of that chapter. So I'm going to look at number skills, and I'm going to open up number skills. All the lessons available under the number skills unit are visible here. We can click on any lesson to open. The file downloads very quickly, or perhaps not, but it's quite fast anyway. There are then two modes you can choose, and we go into the differences between the modes in another video, but very quickly, if you click on Teach, then the lesson appears in a format that is suitable for showing students. If you click on Prepare, then the lesson appears with the teacher's notes included. So I'm going to click on Prepare, and voila, the lesson appears on your screen. You can see the name of the lesson, the reference to the NCERT textbook for the bridge course, and you can navigate either by clicking on Next and Previous or by the arrow keys on your keyboard. And now the lesson is accessible. As you will see in the other videos, the red band on the left indicates that this is a teacher slide with teacher instructions, and you can navigate through the lesson again, like I said, by hitting Next or Previous. You can also make the lesson full screen. You can minimize it again, and that's how the lesson navigation works. Now, I wanted to show you once I open a lesson. As I said, the lesson downloads and is stored on your laptop or phone. You click on Downloads. This lesson now becomes available under Downloads, which means I no longer need to download this lesson every time. So even if I don't have internet, I can log on to the website on my phone or laptop, and the lessons under download are available. Another easy way to navigate lessons is each of our lessons is tagged with key concepts. So if I wanted to search for all the lessons that have to do with integers, I can put in integers, and this will throw up the lessons that have integers in the title or that have to do with integers like number system. Now, if I wanted to access this introduction to integers lesson very quickly and easily, we have a function for bookmarking. You see this icon over here. I can click on bookmark. I get a confirmation that the bookmark has been added. When I go to bookmarks, that lesson, Introduction to Integers, has been added over here for me to very quickly be able to access these lessons. You can also search chapters like I showed you, and again, if you put in integers, this shows you all the chapters that have any lessons pertaining to integers within them. When you click on the chapters, again, all the lessons are shown. There are a few more things to be aware of. I will take you through the options in the top right corner. So the first option, like I said, was filter. This lets you choose which lessons you want to see based on various criteria. The second option is translate. Currently, we only have 2 languages on our app, English and Hindi, but we are working to get you other languages as well. You hit Hindi and the web app translates to Hindi. The semesters in the curriculum and subjects are also going to be coming soon. So I'm going to go back to English, and then finally we have settings. This is just to do with the visual theme. There are different color themes available. We would recommend sticking to our custom theme. And the last option is important to know. It's called sync. It's a very quick option. We recommend you do it ever so often, because each time we upload new lessons on the back end, when you hit sync, the new lessons become available on the front end. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and please do let us know if you have any questions by contacting us at contact@ontum.co. Thank you.